Hello everyone, Collectaholic here. Today we're going to be opening up some hanger boxes 2025 Topps Series 1. Hey guys, my last two hanger boxes. So hopefully I could pull something nice out of them. That would be nice, right? Let's see what we can pull. He's been sitting around for a while. So maybe I could get lucky. Alright guys, wish me luck. Well, if you guys have not seen these before, I'm sure you have. Diamante base card parallels. Show you the back here, if you could read it. There's 59 cards in these packs. And hopefully, 2 of them are autos. That'd be pretty cool. Doubt that's gonna happen, but that would be cool. Alright, let's open up. First pack, Slam Dunk Talent. That is a sick photo. Slam Dunk Talent. Alrighty. We have nice Andrew Vaughn card. Sweet Aaron Judge. Nacho Alvarez Jr. rookie. Lane Thomas. Connor Joe. Blake Dunn rookie. Michael Toglia. Xander Bogaerts. Aaron Schunk rookie. Kenta Maeda. Mike Yastrzemski. Raziel Iglesias. Blake Perkins. George Springer. American League. We have a nice Matt Olson. A Bryce Terang. Jacob deGrom. Angels team card. Gabriel Moreno. Tyler Glasnow. Richie Palacios. Andres Chaparro rookie card. Luis Rengifo. Brandon Marsh. Angel Martinez rookie. Lars Nootbaar. Shea Wickham rookie. Eloy Jimenez. Willie Castro. Chris Bassett. Nice Judge Ramirez and Haruka. Tyler Stevenson. Zach Wheeler. Christian Mena rookie. Will Brennan. Dylan Cease. Okay, we have Brooks Lee rookie card, and that was the stars of the MLB. Rafael Devers, nice James Wood rookie, stars of the MLB card. Corey Seager, Fernando Tatis Jr., pretty sweet. I did not have this one, and Tatis will have to go up there. We have nice Yoshida, Masataka Yoshida. You know what? Let's just put that up there as well. Tyrone Taylor on the Mets. We have a rainbow foil. Jacob Wilson from the A's. Nice Vlad Guerrero Jr. Marco Gonzalez. Greg Jones rookie. And Jordan Beck. Nice Jackson Merrill. Anthony Rendon. Ronel Blanco. Mitch Garver. Cameron Misner, rookie. J.J. Bleday. Otto Lopez. Leody Taveras. And our last card from our first pack is the Houston Astros. Alright guys, nothing too great. I do like the Tatis and the Yoshida. And the James Wood was alright. It wasn't his rookie card. It was the stars of the MLB. I don't know why they put the rookie card on it, because that's really not his rookie card. It's his rookie year, but not his rookie card. Okay, Hoop Dreams. Oh, another Yoshida. Put that right next to Yoshida. Yoshida Pants. Okay, you ready? Tyrone Taylor, let's do this. Tyrone Taylor. Evan Carter. This guy. Ryan O'Hearn. Trevor Larnach. Davis Schneider. Scalboul, Berrios, and Lugo. We have a Jorge Sola. These cards are going to fall out of my hands. Sandy Alcantara. Josh Jung. Pedro Pages. Brant Herter rookie. Taylor Ward. Michael Garcia. Nolan Arenado. Trey Sweeney rookie. Corey Lee. Ranger Suarez. Reese Hines. Don't know if I said that right. Hunter Green. That was a rookie. Mitch Keller. Ryan Bliss rookie. Josh Naylor. Nice one here. Anthony Volpe. Pete Crow Armstrong. Dub and Drench on a wing and a sprayer. Spencer Steer. Brandon Marsh. Angel Martinez rookie. John Gray. Baltimore Orioles team card. Eugenio Suarez. Nice Freddie Freeman. At least it's not the Freddie Furman. Ryan Pepia. Boston Red Sox team card. We have a Zach Neto. Nice Paul Skeens. Alrighty, nice one there. Throw that one up on the stands. Ellie De La Cruz. Sweet Mr. Aaron Judge. Matt Chapman. Sweet Juan Soto in a Yankee uniform. And Call of the Hall. Awesome Mr. Cal Ripken Jr. Liking that one as well. We have a Zach Neto. Seth Lugo. And a nice Gunnar Henderson Rainbow Foil. Putting that one up. Dylan Dingler. Rookie card. Jose Altuve. Randy Arozarena. Hunter Fiducia rookie. Jock Peterson. Vinny Pasquantino. Ryan Helsley. Pedro Leon rookie. Ryan Thompson. Tommy Edman. Brandon Lau. And Rhett Lauder rookie. Alright guys, nothing too special. I do like this Gunner. It's not his rookie card, but it is a rainbow foil. And the Yoshida card's pretty nice. Paul Skeens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards out of the whole box. Alright, out of the whole 2 boxes. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for hanging out for these few minutes. You guys enjoy your night. Until next time.